Hi all, I'm back and today I'm going to talk about Group Juice, the new product I'm an affiliate for. So let me share the screen and you can see what I'm talking about. So Group Juice, my honest review. Did you hear the buzz around Group Juice on social media? And now you wonder, what is all the hype about? Well, if you like me, you would be excited to know what it is all about. It's the best thing that happened to me. So, becoming a super affiliate with the power of monetizing a Facebook group of your own. And this is how Group Juice can help you. So, Nate, Ryan, and Flip Moss created a new program showing you exactly how you can do this without poaching groups or spamming Messenger. This was part of what you have to do. And I hated that when I had to search for leads. I didn't want to go in different groups and searching who can I pinch for them. I also didn't like spamming Messenger. I didn't like it. So how would my clients like it if I were doing that? So this is why I love Group Juice. There's no more of that. In this review, I will be doing an honest review on what all the hype is about. So this is Group Juice with the whole explosion. And this is their signature program. It doesn't even cost an arm and a leg. Very much affordable, but over-delivered by these two guys. There's so much in that I would pay at least £5,000 for this thing. Or shall I say dollars? As I'm in UK, pounds is my money. So once you start with Group Juice, you get right past the BS and get a warm welcome with these two guys, Flip and Nate. And then with the intro, this is your new coaches. After the warm welcome, you get access to their private community, an awesome group where you get direct access to them and live weekly coaching calls. Can you imagine 2 6-figure gurus? I will call them, they don't call themselves gurus, but 2 6 figures that talk to us, the plebs, the beginners. They love what they're doing and they have hearts and want us to be successful. So, to sum it up, Nate and Flip were just two regular blue-collar guys like me and you. Both of them were searching for freedom, found significant success with high-ticket affiliate marketing. Since getting started, they each have done multiple 6 figures, and they do it by keeping real. As I said, I'm a nurse with a heart. They a coach with a heart, and that's why we clicked so easy. They care about their students' success. No gimmicky stuff, no BS, no fluff. Straight to the point, and you know exactly what to expect. Group Juice was created by these two. And now, for complete beginners, you wonder, is there something for you? These two coaches put together an incredible program, filling the gaps for struggling affiliate marketers, showing them how to create an ecosystem of products for free by building a Facebook community of their own. Group Juice show you a stupid, simple 4-step process to setting up, optimizing, and monetizing a Facebook community of your own with high-ticket affiliate marketing and creating a no-brainer offer for your own. Group Juice is the best place to arm yourself with skills to write your own paycheck with digital marketing. And that's why I happily joined them. And I love what I'm doing. Group Juice has a program even for beginners. If you, like me, a struggling affiliate, you can start with Group Juice. But if you're a beginner, starting from scratch and need basic training because you're pretty new to the online world, don't worry, Group Juice has you covered. When you get into their program, you will also get access to the complete beginner's course. Juicebox is a 5-day virtual event. On its own, that breaks down the fastest way for you to turn your content into paychecks. So the virtual event for optimizing, monetizing your social media. And they call it Juicebox. So let's see. Here is a glimpse of what is inside Juicebox. As usual, they have a 5-day program. And of course, they over-delivered. Day 6 is the bonus. What can you expect from these two guys? This is how they work. So day 1, how to set up your social profiles from scratch. Day 2, where to find a 6-figure business hidden right in front of you. Day 3, how to simplify and optimize your business. Day 4, how to create content to attract leads you want. They will come to you. You don't have to break an arm or a leg to get to them. And this is the part that I really like. Number 5, day 5, easy, long-form content to convert your leads into buyers. And of course, the bonus, put all the pieces together so you can get pumped out the paychecks. And guys, I must tell you, I'm happy I found these two guys. So there's no better way to learn how to monetize a Facebook group as an affiliate online. Group Juice is a top-notch program built by 2 incredible successful affiliates and coaches. Group Juice comes highly recommended by me and others on the internet to anyone who has been struggling with affiliate marketing and Facebook. Facebook organic traffic is the most ready to buy free traffic on the internet, and Group Juice is the best place to learn how to tap into this. So this is what I can say about Group Juice. If you're interested to know more, please follow me and join my Facebook group where I put more content out. Otherwise, I will also put the links below if you want to go into Group Juice or Juicebox. If it's in YouTube, you will find the links that you can go in and see what it's all about. Otherwise, DM me and I will sling the links to you that you can see why I'm so hyped up and why I'm so happy doing my online business and knowing I will get to my end results. See you next time on the other side of the screen.